this is brand new. Except for the dent. That's because the bearings were stuck. It's not actually new, I just painted it. And I got a sticker ordered, a 1/4-inch sticker, so we can put the gold line back around it. Yeah, the title is going to be Indonesian, so it gets views and people understand. I have a sticker reprinted. This is the same fan you saw in my last 2 videos, the one where I showed how to take off a down rod, and the one where I showed, what was it? Taking apart 2 ceiling fans. What's the other one? The 3rd one. Yeah, where I showed it was about to be painted. This is what the final finish looks like. Yeah, I did the same thing with this one. I stripped all the paint off and then did it like the factory. Thanks for watching. This is PowerCat69. Goodbye. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll probably have this up and running in 2 weeks when the sticker arrives, because I already have the Induscom stickers and I print the information stickers on my computer. It's just, I need to get that gold line. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is PowerCat69. Bye.